Hey y'all, I'm Kim Earwood with Alabama Ag in the Classroom. I don't reckon we need to waste any time, so let's get on with this rural dictionary. In agriculture, sustainability means protecting natural resources while meeting the needs of a growing population. Every year, farmers strive to be more efficient by using fewer inputs and growing higher quality products. They also recycle byproducts, like baling wheat straw after harvest or feeding protein-packed cottonseed to cattle. For more ag education resources, go online to alabamaaitc.org. This rural dictionary is brought to you by Alabama Ag in the Classroom. See you next time!